Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. In this moment, I would like to say something about in this location. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear lovely friends, you can see this is the actually in our paddy field look like very beautiful, and today weather actually very good, and I also very happy today. And so you can see one tractor and plowing, and one field actually, so this is the green all around side, green environment. Okay, so they are lovely friends, and now I am return my home. And after before 30 minutes ago, I have come here in this field for video making purpose and in our paddy field visiting purpose. So I can see in our paddy field, so look like very good. And now I am going to in our home. So wow, very beautiful scenery and very green scenery all around side. Okay, so now I am walking on the field, and not for any path, it's the blank field, not any crops at that time. Okay, so you can see this is the whole around side, very amazing. And this is our village, and you can see there are so many like trees, bamboo garden, and banana tree, and a neem tree, so different type of trees. Okay, so this is the village, in our village behind side. And you know, this is our home, so very normal. And I am English crazy learner, so that's why I am daily making video for learning purposes. Okay, so if you learn speaking English, so you can start today. And if you learn speaking English, and you have to patience first of all, and first of all listening, speaking, reading, writing, four parts of learning methods. And I also apply this method, and basically I am listening regularly and video making for learning English journey. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.